Assalamu alaikum class. This is your teacher, Ms. Sayyida Fatma Noor. I hope all of you are fine and great at home. Okay, we have previously covered grammar portion the topic verb. Now we are doing adverb. Okay, so adverb is any word that modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or an other word or another adverb. Okay, कोई भी वर्ड जो कि वर्ब की, एडजेक्टिव की या किसी दूसरे एडवर्ब की मीनिंग को मज़ीद मॉडिफाई करे उसे हम एडवर्ब कह रहे हैं यहाँ पे. ओके, एंड एडवर्ब्स यूजुअली टेल अस हाउ, वेयर एंड व्हेन एन एक्शन टेक्स प्लेस और टुक प्लेस. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट हाउ, सो it can be happily, sadly, carefully, bravely. If we talk about where, so it can be here, there, up, down, inside. And if we talk about when, so it can be tomorrow, today, yesterday, daily. Okay, here are some sentences as an example. For example, they fought very bravely, and Anwar talks wisely. My mother was quite wise. Okay, must read all of the pages of adverb carefully, every single line. You must have to read every single line so that you have a better understanding, right? Okay, now we will start formation of adverbs. In most cases, an adverb is formed by adding ly to an adjective. For example, if we have sweet or kind, by adding ly in the end, it will become sweetly, kindly, and deep will become deeply, careless become carelessly. Okay, next there are some examples as well. You have to read it. Next we have, if an adjective ends in y, replace the y with I and then add ly to the word. Okay, for example, easy, we will remove y here and replace it with I and then add ly further, so it will become easily. And same goes for happy, angry, lucky. If an adjective ends in able or le, replace the e with y. Okay, so for example, probable, we will remove the e here and add y, so it will become probably. Same goes for gentle, terrible, and capable. If an adjective ends in ic, then add ally in place of ic. Sorry, you don't have to remove ic. For example, economic, tragic, by adding ally become economically, tragically. Okay, some adverbs have the same form as the adjective. For example, early, late, fast, near, hard, straight. Okay, then we will here we have well and good. Well is an adverb as well as an adjective, but good is only an adjective. For example, Yusuf is a good student. You are looking very well. Here, good and well both are adjectives. He studies well. He teaches well. These are the examples of adverbs. Okay, then coming to the kinds of adverbs, we have 6 kinds of adverbs: adverbs of manners, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree, adverbs of quantity. Adverbs of manners tell us how something happens. Okay, कोई भी चीज़ किस तरह से हो रही है वो adverbs of manners बता रहा है. For example, Tariq reads clearly. The boy works hard. Nasir swims well. All of these are telling that how is something happen. There are then some examples of adverbs of manners like accidentally, courageously, successfully, thoughtfully. Read it Okay, then the second type is adverbs of place. It will tell where something happens, कि कोई चीज़ कहाँ हो रही है, ये एडवर्ब बताएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शैला लिव्स अपस्टेयर्स. Nasya can sit anywhere. The boys moved forward. Okay, so the underlined words are the adverbs of place. Here are some examples of adverbs of place. For example, downstairs, everywhere, elsewhere, backwards, downwards, towards, upwards. Okay, coming to the third kind of adverb, which is adverbs of time. It will tell you when something happens. कोई चीज़ कब हुई है ये वो बता रहा है. Adverb of time. So I have a bath daily. What did you do yesterday? All of the underlined words are adverbs of time. Here are some examples of adverbs of time: infrequently, occasionally, fortnightly, constantly, frequently, weekly. Okay, coming to the fourth kind of adverbs of frequency. Fourth kind of adverbs, which is adverbs of frequency. It will tell you how often something happens. Frequency से obviously we can understand कि ये बताए कि कितनी बार कोई चीज़ हो रही है. The examples are: we usually get up early in the morning. They often go for a walk. You have met me just once. Okay. Okay, now here is a note that will tell you that what the percentage of a single word, single adverb of frequency. For example, if we are using always and regularly, so it will tell you that you are doing it 100% of the time. If you are saying usually, so it will saying that you do this 90 to 90% of the time. If you are saying often, so that means you are doing that work 75 to 90% of the time. If you are doing it sometimes, you are saying that you are doing it 25 to 75% of the time, and never to, so obviously it's 0%. Okay. Adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tell us about the intensity or degree of an action, an adjective or another adverb. Adverbs of degree से हमें किसी चीज़ की इंटेंसिटी या डिग्री पता चल रही है. किस चीज़ की? या तो किसी एक्शन की, या फिर किसी एडजेक्टिव की, या किसी दूसरे एडवर्ब की. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द टी वॉज एक्सट्रीमली हॉट. ओके, सो हेयर एक्सट्रीमली इज़ द एडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्री. हमें पता चले कि कितनी हॉट है वो. सही है. Sadaf is just leaving. She has almost finished. So here are some examples as well: almost, nearly, quite, enough, hardly, scarcely. All of these are examples of adverbs of degree. Then we have the last but not the least kind of adverbs of adverb, which is adverbs of quantity. These adverbs show the quantity of something. For example, I am very sorry. He has much money. He has little milk. All of these are examples of adverbs of quantity. Now what you have to do, you have to do the exercise A and exercise B. Okay, of this topic, adverbs. I have already ticked out the right answers here, but you have to first practice it by yourself and then match your answers with my from this video, so that you have a better understanding. Here this is the exercise number B. I have ticked the right answers here as well. You just have to do the exercise A and B in your book. This is it from this video and this topic. See you in the next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.